my name is Darius and I have 10 years. So, today we are going to make some flatbread. We pour a can of water, then we put some flour, and then we put a little bit of yeast. We also put some salt. Then we shake it for about 10 minutes, and after that we put it on something very cold. So, our dough is now made. Now we make it in a shape like a circle. Then you put a little bit of olive oil and a little bit of seed. And over here too. And that is how you make it. Now we take this over to the pan and let it there for about like 5 minutes. Something like that. Now you put them over here a bit better, like so it stays good. Now that's how you do it. Since our cakes are finally done, now we can finally eat them. Now we made it. It has a really good taste and it's really easy to make.